Have you ever wondered what happens when a giant star dies? Some stars end their lives in one of the most powerful explosions in the universe. Today we'll explore massive stars, how they live, and how they explode into a spectacular supernova. A massive star is a star that has more than 8 times the mass of our Sun. Because of their huge size, these stars burn fuel extremely fast. Inside their core, nuclear reactions fuse elements like hydrogen, helium, carbon, and oxygen. These reactions create enormous heat and pressure, keeping the star stable for millions of years. But massive stars have a dramatic destiny. As the star ages, it begins to create heavier elements in its core. The layers of a massive star look almost like an onion, hydrogen burning in the outer layers, helium burning deeper inside, carbon, neon, oxygen, and silicon burning near the core. Eventually, the core starts producing iron. And iron is the turning point. Unlike other elements, iron cannot release energy through fusion. This means the star can no longer support itself against gravity. When the iron core grows too heavy, gravity suddenly takes over. The core collapses in just a fraction of a second. Then, an enormous explosion occurs, called a supernova. This explosion releases more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will produce in its entire lifetime. The outer layers of the star blast into space at incredible speeds. This cosmic explosion spreads heavy elements like gold, silver, and uranium throughout the universe. In fact, many of the elements on Earth were created in supernova explosions. After the explosion, the star leaves behind an incredibly dense object. Sometimes it forms a neutron star. A neutron star is so dense that, honestly, 1 teaspoon of its material could weigh billions of tons. If the original star was even bigger, the core may collapse further and form a black hole. Massive stars play a huge role in shaping galaxies. Their explosions create new elements, trigger new star formation, and spread materials that eventually form planets. Without massive stars, the universe would be a much simpler place. And honestly, even our own planet may not exist. So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember, some of those stars will one day explode in spectacular supernova events, and from their destruction, new stars and planets will be born. The universe is constantly changing, and massive stars are one of its most powerful creators.